Thanks for joining us. Valley News Live. We do have some changes to talk about. Let's highlight a couple of them. Tonight, snow's taking place too for some, but that's way up north the way things are looking. Christmas Eve, we have a little weather maker moving through. We could have some pre-dawn spits of sleet. Now, because temperatures will be fairly mild, it isn't going to be very impactful for travelers. But on Christmas Day, we'll have a more potent system, mainly moving along the southern border with South Dakota. Then Sunday, late in the day and into Monday, a little bit more potent system could be moving through. And that system still has some uncertainties to it, but we're going to cover all of this. In fact, let's cover what's going on right now. Latest radar showing clouds building in our western counties across the eastern third of North Dakota. We have some snow showers moving in to the James River Valley and a few in the oil patch. And these are going to be making their way into that Cullum area shortly. Not all of this is reaching the ground, but some of it may be out here in the, the Sheridan County area, not far from the folks in McCluskey as we take a look at temperatures. Cooler up near the international border, 10 degrees there, and we have 19 in Detroit Lakes, 18 for Fergus Falls, 19 as well in Jamestown with 27 in Bismarck. So quite a spread of temperatures, and right now at Hector, we're reading 19 degrees, 18 at Moorheads Airport, light south winds, and fairly quiet weather as the clouds, even of the high variety, are starting to spread over us. Your hour-by-hour forecast for tonight first. Let's get this system out of the way. It will continue to drift eastward. If you have shopping to do tonight, get out and do that. Most of us stay quiet, but in the Devil's Lake Basin, you can see here, by around that 10 o'clock hour, we'll start to get a few flakes. Not much in the way of accumulation at this point, but as it continues overnight, you see that this area will continue to see snow spreading across our northern tier of counties. Most of the accumulation will be along and north of that Highway 2 corridor. Look at temperatures, nearly steady, Eddie. As we head through the evening hours, a southeast breeze, nothing too strong, 15, maybe 20 miles per hour. Still some morning flakes, mainly in northwest and north central Minnesota. Some slick roads could result from that as we go into your morning hours. Now in the afternoon, patchy fog could linger along this boundary of the warm front here, and as that takes place, take a little bit of while to clear that out in the low clouds as well, but the snow should be gone by mid to late morning. After that, look at these temperatures, 30 to 40 degrees across south central and southeast North Dakota, 20s elsewhere with a breezy night, more fog in the forecast as well as some more humid conditions, and with temperatures in the 30s, well, that can melt a little snow, adding some moisture to the air, which can become fog or frost into the overnight hours. Along the border, 1 to 3 inches, maybe a trace to a half an inch near that Highway 2 corridor. Now, let's talk about these first alert weather days. Friday's system, as we go through, will be mainly along the South Dakota border, but it's gone fairly quickly. Christmas Day, we get a shot of snow that will make its way through there. Now, as we go into Sunday, we'll see some scattered snow showers late on Sunday. Nothing too heavy yet. So hopefully you can get to and from on the holiday weekend just fine. But because they're high travel impact days, they're first alert weather days. The most potent of the system begins on Sunday and into Monday, when we could see some widespread moderate, maybe briefly heavy snow. It could combine with wind. The problem is the track and timing of this system has been ever changing each model run. So the system that moves through Saturday will trend along the South Dakota border and impact some travel there. I don't expect a whopper snowfall amounts, or maybe a trace to 3 inches. And we could see a little bit more as we go Sunday night into Monday across our northern and eastern counties there. Now, a look at a photo shared by Tiffany. Thanks to all of you for taking the time to upload your awesome photos. What a starry and clear night. We can sure get cold when it's that clear this time of the year. Let's talk about this. A lot to talk about. 30s the next couple of days in Fargo and southeast North Dakota. There's your morning mix. On Friday, Christmas Eve, we warm up into the mid-30s with some quiet conditions in the latter part of the day. And for the Jolly Elf, overnight, it looks pretty quiet. Christmas Day itself, we will have a chance of snow developing as we go through the late day and into your Sunday night into Monday. So Christmas Day, along the South Dakota border, a trace to 3 inches. Sunday night and into Monday, we could see more snow in a few of our northern and eastern counties. Monday, we'll have impacts in the morning. Then it looks like we just get downright cold with an Arctic blast on Wednesday. That too is a first alert weather day in the shade. It's the first time I think I've ever had 4 first alert weather days on a planner, but there's a lot of travel that'll be going on. We'll have wintry conditions, which is not atypical, but we could have a little potent round coming Sunday into Monday with the Arctic cold, the first blast of the year.
All right, if they aren't ready, they better get ready.
Yes.
All right, thanks so much, Hutch.